Doing a quick review of the LED Nighthawk. This is the 9012 bulb. You can see what I pulled out was my 9012 and put in one of their Firehawk 9012s that come with a built-in fan. Let me show you. To get to it, to take your light off, you got to take your top shroud off. There's a separate video to take the bumper off, but what you're trying to get in that bumper is to that bolt right there. That bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and this bolt will remove the headlight. So you can see, I don't know if you can see it, definitely a yellow tinge and a nice bright white from the Firehawk side. Not sure if this will help. That's the original. When you look at it towards the front, you can see a much brighter, when I hit the high beams, much bigger protection versus the low beams.